First series of 5 shots. I see a couple of 9s here. Mostly 10s and a 10-9, a perfect score from the athlete from Bangladesh. She took in the lead, of course, with this high score. Hak, 17 years old. She was actually 7th after the qualifications, but that can all change in the final, of course. Here she is now. Continuing very well. This center of the target didn't scare her too much. It's a pretty good start. Throughout the day, we've had a couple of finals so far. And what we got to see when we come to the end of the finals, 3 times in a row now that has happened. It's an Indian athlete and an athlete from Korea. Oh, another 10-9. This time from an Indian athlete, Panot. Very well, the young women took this one seriously. I didn't see this much strong hits today in the first series. They really are coming in strong. So anyway, we do have 3 Indian athletes and 3 Korean athletes. We'll see what happens. Got used to having an Indian and a Korean athlete in the gold medal match, the last final stage of the finals. And these 2 nations are very strong when it comes to rifle shooting. You can see it here. Even today at this Asian championship. Nearly there, just Panot with another very strong 10. That's a 10-8
from India.
Has skyrocketed up to the first position.
Third place, Yuti from India.
Really holding on to those strong 10s could get her very far into the finals.
Hak from Bangladesh.
Of course, we still do have 2 more before 7th and the 8th place is decided.
For the next ranking match,
but we have 4 more
low
before the decision of who are the 2 competing for gold. Bautran currently in the 8th place. Let's see if she can kind of get out of this situation. Maybe get back into the game. She was 6th after the qualification. And that's a thin 10 to start off. It must be very tenseful. I really like the color of that rifle. It's very noticeable. That's Pae So-yoon, currently in the 7th place. shooting some 10s, but not very strong ones. And on the average is 10.5, and that's best to go above that in the finals to make sure, to be a little bit more sure. But easier said than done, I'm sure. Hazel just climbing up that rink. Now with a thin 10, but easier said than done, I'm sure. Hazel just climbing up that rink. Now with a thin 10, but these young women are really showing off some skills here. They have 250 seconds for these five shots. When they get to the single shot, they have 50 seconds. And some of these athletes really do tend to aim for quite some time. Looking for that perfect moment to pull the trigger. Couple more are left to finish off the round. So we can see Panot holding that first place. Last one that she had was a 9, but it didn't affect her immediately. Just after Ko and Hazel did an amazing
After second series, first place goes to
job with this
Koo Ye-dam
with
from
this
Republic
round.
of Korea. And second place, Hazel
Ko
from
taking
India.
now the lead. Hazel right behind
And
and
third
Panot
place, Panot
because
from
of that
India. After the next series of 5
slightly
shots, place
lower
8 and
lower
7 will be
score
decided. At the moment, the
than
place
the third
8
place. Currently, Baotran
in
the 7th
From
position.
Republic of Korea and 7th place,
Pae
Tran
So-yeon
from Vietnam.
in the 8th position. And it's a tricky situation for these
next
two.
ranking match 3, low.
We still have one more series to go before 7th and the 8th place is decided.
Star.
But they're in the danger zone, that's for sure. Gotta say, it's a big crowd here. And not surprised. The young women are really showing great skills. Look at that. Again, a 10-9 from Ko. We see a 10-8 from Yukti Mazendra. Climbing up in the first 3 now. I've seen this a couple of times now today. The Indian athletes kind of sticking together. Very good shooters. Yeah, it can be intimidated sometimes to hit that center of the target. You know, you want to do it again, but not as easy as they make it seem. do have to go through prevent trainings, qualifications, equipment control. They've already been on this shooting range yesterday and today, and now they get to do the final part, of course, in the equipment control, to go through all the measurements, about the jackets and the trousers and those flat shoes on the floor that are a little bit above the ankles, just keeping them as stable as it's allowed, actually. And it's all measured in millimeters of the thickness of the jacket and what's allowed, what's not allowed. So these athletes really have to be precise about everything. And then, the last part, of course, being the precision to get in to that target. Look at those scores, just they're really on top of the game. Most of them are 16 years old. But I gotta say, we've seen some 16 years old shoot pretty well, but this is all of them. All of a sudden, all of them here.
Stop.
Taking
From 15 to 17 years old.
And congratulations to Bae Sa-young from the Republic of Korea.
That's it.
Taking
7th and the 8th place is decided.
Congratulations to Bao Tran
We're
from
actually doing a
Vietnam.
good job. It's just the
After
competition
next
is very
series of
strong.
5 shots will
So the 8th
decide
place.
6th and the 5th.
Goes to Pae So
At the
Yun
moment,
from Korea,
place
16
6
years
is
old,
Park from Bangladesh.
and then from Vietnam,
And 5th place, Park Ye-dam
Bao Tran
from Republic of
winning the
Korea.
7th place. It's going to be the two of them leaving, and funnily
For the
enough, they
next
were
Olympic
on
match,
positions G and H, which means they were on the last two positions, and their first ones
Stop.
to leave the finals, and leaving these 6, each and every one of them trying to get to the medal match, to the gold medal match, the final part of the competition, the deciding of the gold medal of the Asian Championship, and who wouldn't want that? A couple of strong starts from Park and Hak. Also Yukti. They know now after this one. 2 more are leaving the finals, 5th and 6th place. (10-6) by Park. Of course, a little bit of waving from the spectators. Here to support their athletes. Now Ko was doing very well, but 3 times in a row now, she's not hitting that 10. And her fall down the rink, and the 3 Indian athletes took in the first 3 positions. Now Park came back in. And let's see if Ko can get back up. in the game. This is what it looks like now. Just a couple of more shots till the decision, and I can't really say. It's not really clear on what could happen, but currently Sajida Haq from Bangladesh is in the 5th position, and Ko fell into the 6th position. She just had too much of those 9s and not enough of the strong 10s. But the 3 Indian athletes are just at the top. Finishing up with a 10, but a slim one. Hazel finishing up with a strong one. Let's see what the Haq does here. Oh no.
Stop.
No, that's not gonna help her
Taking 6th
try
place
and
in
get
the
up
final,
that
and
rank.
Congratulations to
Meaning
Sajida Haq
it's gonna be
from
the
Bangladesh.
6th place for Sajida Haq.
Taking 5th
From
place
Bangladesh,
in
the
the final,
17-year-old.
And congratulations to Gu Ye-dam from Republic of Korea.
And Gu Ye-dam
Next
from
series
Korea
of shot will be decided place 4th and the bronze medals. At the moment, the
didn't
4th
really
place goes
make
to
it
Hak Ye-eun from Republic of Korea.
to come back from
And
this
3rd place, Hazel from India.
series. It was just below 50. It was just, yeah, the competition is really, really strong, actually. This is how it is. 3 Indian
この
athletes,
ネクストランキングマッチ3
1 athlete from Korea.
スタート。
So India is really showing they mean business. Panot currently holding the lead of the 3 Indian athletes and the whole final. Not the thickest 10, but still definitely not a disaster. Especially if we look at the rest of the athletes. Didn't start off that strong. Next series, this one, besides the 4th place and the bronze medal, it's gonna be a slim 10 for Yukti as well. Now the tension is getting high. Who is gonna stay in the gold medal match? Surely, or all 4 of them would like to. And it does look like they all have a chance to get in to that gold medal match. That's a 10-4 for Hazel. She's currently in the 3rd position. Park. The trigger pull, that's low, went low as well, but it's a thin 10, and she really needs more than that to climb up. And if not get into the gold medal match, then snatch a place on the podium. Now with a slim 10 as well. Yukti, all right, finishing off with a nice strong 10. Now she can only take a breather and hope for the best to stay in the first 2. that's gonna be it. Things can change with a very, very strong 10 here. Park can get onto the podium. She really needs a 10-8 or a 10-9 to get to that, and she knows it. So that was a very quick pause, and she's coming back into the target. She has 30 more seconds on the clock. Let's see if she can pull this off. And oof.
Stop.
That was just too strong of a pressure.
Taking fourth place in the final, and
She needed
congratulations to Park Ye-eun
center of the
from
center of the
Republic
target,
of Korea.
but it just flew away from her to
And
the
ladies
left
and
into an
gentlemen,
8.
now we congratulations for the
And,
bronze medal winner from India,
She
Hazel.
lost the place on the podium with that one. She knew. That's the face of somebody who knows. Tried hard though, I'm sure, but
Short break is for coaching. Is to
is how it ends.
Okay.
for Park
About 1
Ye-eun,
minute.
16-year-old.
And now we move to the medal match, and the two remaining
the
athletes
bronze
will
medal
start from the 0 on points.
Goes to the
16
Indian
points
athletes.
or more are needed to win the match.
15 years old. Hazel. Leaving Yukti, Zendra, and Watami Panot in the gold medal match, fighting for the top of the podium.
Shot low.
Starting from 0, 50 seconds on the clock.
Stop.
Single shots, better score, 2 points. If they're tied, they each win 1 point. We go up until 16 for the gold. It's gonna be the last medal of the day, and first for women.
Stop. Panot from
Look
India,
at that
she got
start.
10.7
Two
score.
strong
She
tens.
gets first 2 points.
And Panot was just a bit better, snatching the first 2 points. Tomorrow we're gonna have the final for 10-meter air rifle women and women junior. But we can see the youth women breaking that ice
Start.
today, and well, doing a great job, if I may say. So the gold is definitely going to India. It's just a question of which of these young women will be carrying that medal around their neck. Oh, that's a 9 for Yukti, and she already does have.
Still,
She
Panot
already
from
did
India,
lose the
she's
first
leading
round.
this
Now she lost the
series.
second
She
round
gets
in a
another
row.
2 points. Total points for Panot is 4.
It's gonna be 4 against 0, Panot and Yukti.
For the next medal match shot, low. Start.
So Panot was actually second in the qualification, and Yukti was third. They both had a great qualification score, 10.5 for Yukti, okay? And that's the first 2 points for her.
Yuki from India gets 2
Not
points.
giving in that easily.
So total points for Yuki 2 points and Panot 4 points.
For the next medal match shot, low. Start.
Now is the chance for Yukti to try and tie this one.
Stop.
And she does 2 points again.
Yuki from India gets another 2 points.
Those
We
were
have a
two
tie point.
slim 10s,
4
but
points
Panos was
each
just
for Banot and
a
Yuki.
bit slimmer. It's 4-4 now. We go up to 16.
For the next medal match shot, low. Stop.
Still pretty sure consistency of that 10.5 or higher definitely gets you to the top. It's a thin 10 for Yukti, and just
Banot from India
the
gets
reverse
another 2
situation from the
points.
last round,
So
and
2
2 points
for
go
Banot,
to
6.
Banot now.
And Yuki 4 points.
From the beginning.
Just 10 points away from the gold.
For the next medal match shot, low. Stop.
And we just saw the trigger pull from this
Yuki
angle.
got
It's
perfect score of
10-9 for
10.9.
Yukti.
She gets another 2 points.
And of course,
Now we have another tie
2 points. I
between
mean, what
Banot
a
and
moment to be able to hit that center of the target. Very impressive.
For the next medal match shot, low. Start.
Yukti is just a little bit older, a year older. At this age, these athletes are very professional. That's another nice hit. All right.
Yukti from India gets another 2 points.
Taking the
Total
lead.
points for
8
Yukti,
points
and
for
Banot,
Yukti.
6 points.
Banot with 6 points. As I said, she was stronger in the qualification, but now the tables are turning a little bit. Halfway there,
For the
Yukti with
next medal match shot,
8 points.
low.
She needs 16.
Stop.
Seventeen nations are here at the Asian Championship. Yeah, we have the 2 Indian athletes fighting for gold.
Stop.
No, Banot is
Banot from
not
India
giving
gets
in.
Another 2 points.
Taking
Again,
the 2
we have
points,
tie
coming to a
points
tie
of
again.
8.
These two are really chasing each other.
For the next medal match shot, low. Stop.
No giving up for these ladies. "30 seconds on the clock." And a 10.5 from Yukti, and a 10.5 from Banot. Oh,
We have tied score at
this was bound to
10.5.
happen at least
Each
once in this
player
final.
gets
So
1
each win
point.
1 point on
Total
account
score
of
Banot 9 and Yukti 9.
the same score of 10.5. They both climbed up to a total of
For the
9
next medal match
points,
shot,
meaning
low.
first one takes another 7 points,
Start.
wins the gold. surely these athletes have been to many competitions so far.
Stop.
Doing a
Pano from
great
India
job
gets
like
10
this.
points,
Look at
7
that. The
scoring. She gets
size
another
difference
2
again,
points.
but Pano taking
Pano gets 11 points and Yukti 9 points.
the 2 points, coming to 11.
For the next medal match shot.
It's just that
Low.
these big competitions are amazing for
Stop.
them. Anybody looking from the bio, they don't really have much to show yet on account of these bigger competitions. But surely they've been training in some good environment since
Stop.
this is very
Yukti from
impressive. And
India
coming
gets
into
another 2
for a
points.
tie
We
again
have again tied points at 11.
with a 10-4. Yukti, 2 points. They're really not
For the next medal match
giving
shot.
us a moment to even try and think who's gonna catch the gold first.
Start.
I think that athletes who are shooters, I mean, most of them look so calm, yet it's not the most calm situation that you can be in. They kind of keep the cool, keep composed. That's one of the very interesting points of this
We have
competition.
another tie
Here we go
score at
again.
10.2.
Here we go again with a tie.
One each player gets 1 point. We
The
have
coach is
12
already,
points each
laughing. I mean,
finalist.
the only ones who are focused and concentrated here are the two athletes fighting
For
for
the
their
next
gold,
medal
but
match shot. Low.
as they should be, of course. But the coach is
Stop.
pretty calm and just letting them do their thing, go till the very end. Ten and a half.
Stop.
10-7, a bit of a stronger one for
Pano from India
Pano.
gets another 2 points. Match point on
Comes to a
Pano.
14
And Yukti, 12
points.
points.
She was higher in the qualifications. And she has a
For the next medal match shot.
potential for a match point in the next round.
Start.
Let's see, are they gonna make it more interesting, or is Pano just gonna take the gold now? Calm and collected. And only 16, but
Stop.
ooh, look at that. Yeah, they are gonna make it more interesting for us.
Yukti from India gets another 2
it was
points.
looking like this
Again,
from
we
the
have a
very
match point
beginning.
on both finalists. Please give a big applause for the next series.
Yeah, taking a
For the
deep
next
breath
medal
after
match
this
shot.
one.
Low.
That was not the plan, I'm sure.
Start.
They're both just one step away. And the coach has to really make this moment, into a memory of a photograph. And that's gonna be
Start is on ball.
a
With the
10 and a
final.
half by Yukti, and in a
Present all
very,
three medal winners on the
very
field of play for the winning
important
pictures.
moment. She hits that nice 10 and a half and earns herself a gold medal. Yukti Zendra from India, the 17-year-old. She was third in the qualification and finished up with the gold. And Gautami Panot from India, the 16-year-old. I mean, she was doing a great job throughout the whole finals. But look, in the end, the 2 nines did not do her a favor, that's for sure. These athletes, again, you know, just won the gold medal. Oh, there's a smile on her face.
Ladies and gentlemen, we congratulations for the bronze medalist from India, Hazel. We congratulations
3
for the
Indian
silver medal
athletes on the
from
podium
India,
for the
Gautami
10-meter
Panot.
air rifle women youth. They really came and
Ladies and gentlemen,
showed the whole
congratulations
competition
for the gold
what
medal
they've got.
From India, Ladenda Yuti.
Hazel with the bronze, Gautami Panot with the silver,
Right away,
and
Victoria
Yukti
Salamini will take
Zinder
in
with
this final.
with the gold. Congratulations to the medal winners, and thank you for watching. Hope you had a nice time. You can definitely follow the official page of ISSF on Facebook. Subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. We're going to be seeing these finals from the Asian Championship in the days to come. Of course, tomorrow we are starting at 12:15 local time here in Korea. So tune in for the final of the 10-meter air rifle women. This was an amazing finals, and I'm sure that the women tomorrow will give us the same. Thank you for watching once again, and see you tomorrow.